John chapter 16, verse 33. These things I have spoken unto you, that in me ye might have peace. In the world ye shall have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world. Have you ever had a day na parang ang bigat-bigat ng lahat? Maybe you're tired, worried about your future, or you're facing something na hindi mo alam kung paano mo haharapin. But today, God reminds us through John chapter 16 verse 33. Jesus never promised na magiging easy yung buhay natin. He actually said, in the world, ye shall have tribulation. We will have struggles, may mga disappointments tayong matatanggap, may mga prayers na parang matagal masagot, and may mga araw na mapapatanong tayo na, Lord, kaya ko pa ba? But Jesus tells us, be of good cheer. Hindi dahil wala tayong problema, but because Jesus had already overcome the world. Kaya kung may pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, remember this. Hindi man natin alam kung ano yung mangyayari sa kinabukasan, alam natin kung sino yung may hawak ng kinabukasan. You don't have to figure everything out ngayong araw na to. Just trust God, pray, and keep going. Because whatever you are facing right now, Jesus has already overcome.